husband and you've been my dearest friend. I give you all the praise. Oh, thanks, thanks. I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. I give you thanks this moment, and I will continually. For each day I live, the grace you give, and I'm blessed abundantly. I can't forget that moment where in my life you made such change. And since your spirit came, I've not been the same. I just wanna give you thanks. Oh, thanks. I give you thanks for all you've done. And I am so blessed. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks this moment, and I will continually. For each day I live, the grace you give, and I'm blessed abundantly. I can't forget that moment where in my life you made such change. And since your spirit came, I'm not being the same. I just wanna give you thanks. Oh, thanks, thanks. And I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. I thank you, Lord, for the strength and the discipline to carry on through life's trials and tests. In the worst or best, I'm not even left alone. You're always right beside me. You hear me every time I pray. And since the first began, you've been my dearest friend. I give you all the praise. Oh, thanks, oh, thanks. I give you thanks for all you've done. And I am so blessed. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. Oh, thanks. I give you thanks for all you've done. And I am so blessed. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. Oh, thanks, thanks. I give you thanks for all you've done. My soul has found rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks.
Hallelujah!
Yes, I give you thanks for all you've done. And I am so blessed. My soul give you thanks. Dearest Jesus, we give you thanks. My dearest Lord, we give you thanks.
Mga minamahal, napakarami natin dapat ipagpasalamat sa ating